Stop, stop, stop. This is not Christmas. But today I'm in Arcticircle. Hello my fellow friends, how are you? I hope you have enjoyed my earlier videos. If you didn't see it, then please go to my earlier videos and see my earlier videos so that you can understand what I'm doing here. The weather was really perfect for Christmas. Today I'm going to visit Santa Claus and I would like to have a small chat with him if I get any chance. So let's go and explore together. You have to walk along this way. It took about 2 to 3 minutes to visit and the next upstairs, and then you have to wait in this queue. Sometimes if you're lucky, then it might empty or less people.
Oh, good afternoon. All the way from Bangladesh.
Yes, Bangladesh, but I live in Germany.
Welcome to Lapland.
Thank you. And yes.
And time to smile.
Thank you.
Good.
I'd like to thank you for your time, at least 1 minute.
Oh, it's a short time, but we are on the Arcticircle and today we met here, so we are connected. Best wishes to your family and friends both in Germany and Bangladesh. And 10 months later, Christmas will be my turn to visit you.
Thank you. It is really nice when you visit Santa Claus Village and you have snowfall. That really gives you an expression that is Christmas. Let's have a look what it offers around the Santa Claus office. Let's explore a bit surroundings. I forgot to mention you that today we took reindeer ride. It took 5 minutes maximum and it's a slow ride and you can sit back and relax and see what is happening in surroundings, and it's not so much exciting like husky safari. This is Santa Claus Central Post Office. You can send message, greetings to your family, friends, anywhere in the world. It costs not so much, it costs maximum 2 to 3 euros. And it is really nice when you send something to your loved one, they will be happy. Oh, it come from Arcticircle or from Santa Claus. Yes, welcome to Snowmobile. So we are almost end of our journey. As a last part of our activities, we took Snowmobile. One thing you have to keep in mind, that you need a valid driving license to drive those vehicles. Otherwise, you have to sit back like me. that's it. We hope you guys like this video. We'll see you again in the next video / series. Till then, bye.